Pollen, the diamond of the plant kingdom, is one of nature's toughest materials. NTU scientists have found a way to turn hard pollen into soft matter. Using pollen extracted from plants, the scientists remove the sticky oil-based pollen cement layer. They then extract the pollen shells. The mixture is then incubated under alkaline conditions for up to 12 hours. The pollen grain particles swell and become more gel-like. The longer the incubation period, the more flexible the material becomes. Pollen turns into soft microgel particles while keeping its high strength.
You can use the soft gel particles to design a variety of objects. This can be used to create a variety of biodegradable, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective materials that can be deployed in a variety of applications.
This material holds promise for a wide range of applications that are eco-friendly, affordable, and scalable.